Congratulations on joining the Build Mania Challenge. NASSCOM Future Skills Prime, KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology, and OpenWeaver are proud to present this interesting practical challenge. The Build Mania Challenge is designed to provide you an opportunity to apply the concepts you learned in the FSP Acquiring Data course and build industry-relevant data solutions. This challenge has been divided into two parts. Part 1 coding exercises and Part 2 application development. This video will showcase how you can complete Part 1 of the Build Mania challenge, which consists of 10 coding exercises. For each of these exercises, you are required to submit a screenshot of the code and the corresponding output in the final challenge submission form. As you can see, the challenge page has all the 10 exercises that you need to work on, along with a few instructions that will help you get started. Now let's take a look at how we can use Kandi to search for code snippets and help us complete these exercises. For the sake of this demonstration video, we are going to solve two coding exercises, which is reading a CSV into a data frame and sorting the data frame by ascending order. Before we get started with our exercises, we need a CSV file with our data. So I've created a CSV file here consisting of data about different actors in the world with column headers as actor name, gender, age, country, and awards won. We've also saved the CSV file as dataset1. Now let's begin with our first coding exercise and head to Kandi to look for code snippets that can help us with this exercise. So please head to Kandi's homepage, which is kandi.openweaver.com. And as you're aware, Kandi's objective is to help us develop applications faster. And your applications are essentially composed of multiple functions, and code snippets is what helps us build these custom functions faster. So on Kandi's homepage, you can enter some of the keywords for the code that you're looking for and hit find. We then look for code snippets and copy the code that seems most appropriate for our exercise, paste it in the IDE such that you can see the code and the corresponding output. We then rename our file to dataset1, which is how we have saved our CSV file, and also rename this data frame to df1. We run it, and now we can see the output. If we had to submit this for a challenge, we just have to take a screenshot of the code and the corresponding output and submit it in the challenge submission form. Now let's go to our second exercise, which is sorting the data frame by ascending order of the column awards won. Again, heading back to Kandi, kandi.openweaver.com, we type some keywords to help us with this code snippet search, such as sort pandas data frame. We hit find and look for code snippets for this exercise. I'm going to copy the first one, which seems like an appropriate code, paste it back on the IDE, change the column as awards won because that's the column that we are looking to sort in ascending order. Also rename our data frame to df1. Run it, and there is our working output. Let's take a screenshot of the code and the corresponding output and submit this in the challenge submission form. This is just a demonstration of two sample exercises, and it's as easy as that. You can use Kandi to get support and look for code snippets and complete these coding exercises. I hope you found this demonstration helpful. All the best.